is your time. This is your season. And this is your moment. This is Dr. Tommy Campbell Jr. Welcome to another special edition of This Is Your Time. This is your season. And this is your moment. I'm your certified life coach, your motivator, your inspirator. I want to tell you, you are destined for greatness. Listen, we are at the end of this year. Listen, this is what I want you to do. I want you to think positive for the rest of this year. I want you to have momentum. Listen, this is the end of this year, and I want you to gain momentum. Listen to me very closely. Please take notes. I want you to gain momentum in December. And this is what I want you to do. I want you to carry that momentum into 2022. I want you to carry that momentum into the new year. Why? So you can make your dreams a reality. Listen, before I go any further, I want to tell the whole world that I love you all so much. I want to tell my Facebook family that I love you with all of my heart. I want to tell my YouTube family that I love you. That's why I get in front of this camera for free for the whole world. Why? Because I love you all. I want you to listen. I cannot re-emphasize this enough. I want you to get rid of all limited beliefs. I want you to get rid of the fear. And I want you to step out on faith. And I want you to take the risk. And I want you to take the chance. Don't be afraid to take the risk. Don't be afraid to go after your dreams. I want you to follow your heart. I want you to follow your passion. I want you to do what you love to do. Listen, this is your time. This is your season. This is your moment. Why? Because this brings me to the title of this motivational video. The title of this motivational video is Prepare. And the question I want to ask you, are you prepared? And this is what I want you to do. I want you to get your dream in your mind right now. Whatever your dream is, I want you to get it in your mind right now. And once you get that dream in your mind, I want you to see yourself accomplishing your dream in your mind. Listen, I am in London. I am in Australia. I am in the NFL. I'm going to speak in the NFL. I am in the NBA. I'm going to speak in the NBA. I am in corporate. I'm going to speak in corporate. I am international. I'm going to speak internationally. Why? Because I'm prepared. I am ready for the moment. I do motivational speeches every day. So when the opportunity comes, I will be ready for the moment. And this is the question that I want to ask you. When the question is, this is the question I have for you. When the opportunity comes to you, will you be ready for the moment? Are you ready for the moment? Are you ready for the opportunities that are getting ready to come your way in 2022? Are you ready for the doors that are getting ready to open for you next year? Are you ready for the moment? I want you to prepare. If you're not ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Because great things are getting ready to happen for you. Listen, let me tell you something. I love you so much. You are special. You are gifted. You are kind. You are healthy. You are blessed. You are prosperous. You are intelligent. You are loved. You matter. You are smart. Greatness is in your DNA. Greatness is upon your life. You are amazing. You matter. You are phenomenal. You are special. And you are beautiful. And you are greatness. It's time for you to prepare. Are you ready for the moment? Greatness is upon your life. Greatness is in your DNA. Listen, you are not born to be average. That's what I want to tell you. Stop being average. I want you to stop procrastinating. I want you to stop putting it off. Why? Because you were born to be great. You were born to be successful. Maybe they keep telling you no. Maybe you keep getting rejected. Listen, you are not that no. You are not that constant rejection. Listen, you may be going through. You may be depressed. You may be suicidal. You may be grieving because you lost a loved one. You may be going through a divorce. You may be in an abusive relationship. You may have an addiction. I don't know what your issues are, but I want you to prepare. I want you to get ready for the moment. I want you to wake up being positive. Listen, I challenge you. The rest of this year, I want you to be positive. Get rid of all negativity. Stop the procrastination. Stop being lazy. Stop putting it off. And I want you to wake up being positive. You will accomplish your dreams in 2022. You will accomplish your dreams in 2022. Listen, trust the process. Trust the process. Number one. Number two, I'm teaching. Embrace the process. And number three, don't cheat the process. Go through the process. Tell yourself that great things are going to happen for you. Come on, tell yourself right now. Say, great things are going to happen for you. You are blessed. You are coming out of debt. Listen, you may be in debt right now. You may have bills on top of bills. You may have debt, but I'm telling you, you are coming out of debt. Listen, you can be the next billionaire and be happy. You can live the triple-double life. You can be a multi-millionaire and be happy, because it's time for you. I want to say this. It is time for you to recondition your mind. What do you mean, Dr. Campbell? It is time for you to renew your mind. It is time for you to change your way of thinking. Change your perspective. Start being positive. Get rid of all the negativity. Change your mindset. Recondition your mind. Listen, here are 7 principles that are about to revolutionize your life that I'm going to give you. Someone said, things don't happen. That's what I want to tell you. Things don't happen. Things are made to happen. What do you mean, Dr. Campbell? So go out and make it happen. Things don't just happen, because faith without works is dead. You reap what you sow. Whatever seeds you sow is going to determine what kind of harvest you receive. So if you sow into your dream, the harvest is you're going to accomplish your dreams. If you sow into negativity, the harvest is going to be negativity. If you sow into fear, if you sow the seed of fear, the harvest is going to be fear. If you sow the seed of greatness, the harvest is going to be greatness. So go out and make it happen. Do what you said you are going to do. Go ahead and start that business. Go ahead and maybe you dropped out of high school. Go back and get that GED. Maybe you want to go to college. Make good grades. Pass the test. Maybe you want to be a doctor. Maybe you want to be a lawyer. Maybe you want to write a book. Maybe you want to be a principal. Maybe you want to sell real estate. Maybe you want to be an actor, singer, rapper. I don't know what you want to do, but prepare. Listen, prepare for what you want to do. Prepare for what you want to be. Prepare for what you want to become. Maybe you put your dream down. Pick that dream back up. Principle number 2. What is coming in your future? What is coming in your future is better than what happened in your past. Maybe you have a horrible past. Maybe you are ashamed of your past. Maybe you have things that happen in your childhood. Maybe you have things that happen in your past relationships. Maybe you're in a bad relationship. Maybe you're coming out of a bad relationship. Listen, you need time to heal. If you came out of a bad relationship, give yourself time to heal. Maybe if you come out of a divorce, give yourself time to heal. Listen, what's coming in your future, I'm going to say it again. What is coming in your future is better than what happened in your past. Maybe you are a successful business person. Maybe you work for a corporation. Maybe you work for a business. You're making 6 figures. You're making a lot of money. You're doing great on your job. You're doing great in your business, but you're not doing great as a father. You're not doing great as a husband. You're not doing great as a wife, but you're successful in your company. You're successful in your business, but you lack in other areas. Listen, I'm here for you, so I can speak to your company, because I can help you. I can help you with personal development. Listen, prepare. Are you ready to be a better wife? Are you ready to be a better husband? Are you ready to be a better father? Are you ready to be a better mother? Are you ready to accomplish your dreams? Principle number 3. John Wooden said, failing to prepare is preparing to fail. Listen, we're talking about prepare. We're talking about preparing. If you are not prepared, if you are not ready for the moment, you are setting yourself up for failure when the opportunity comes. Listen, you cannot embrace the open door in your life. You cannot embrace the opportunity that is getting ready to come to you if you are not prepared. So prepare. Let's just say if there's an athlete, they want to play professional sports. They want to get drafted to the NBA. They want to get drafted to the NFL. They want to get drafted as a baseball player. They want to play professional sports. If they never work out, if they never practice, when it's time to get drafted, they're not going to get drafted. They're not going to do good as an athlete in that sport. Why? Because they did not work out in the off season. They were not prepared. So failing to prepare is preparing to fail. Principle number 4. Bobby Unser said, success is where, watch this, is where preparation and opportunity meet. So preparation and opportunity, they meet each other. Are you prepared? Are you ready to prepare yourself to accomplish your dreams? Are you prepared and ready to do what they said you could not do? Principle number 5. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. Remember I talked about the athlete? Proper preparation prevents poor performance. So if you're training as an athlete, when it's time to get in the game and you put in the work and practice, you're going to do good in the game because you prepare. You put in the work. Look at LeBron James, Kevin Durant, Stephen Curry, Giannis, Tom Brady, Patrick Mahomes, all the greats. Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Richard Branson, Elon Musk, all the greats. They prepared to do what they said they were going to do. So when the opportunity came for them to play the game, to start their business, they were ready for the moment. So you have to prepare. Principle number 6. When you prepare, we're talking about prepare. Are we talking about preparing? Yes, we're talking about preparing. Are you ready for the moment? Principle number 6. When you prepare, watch this, I'm teaching. It will give you great confidence. That's what it will do. When you practice, it will give you great confidence. Because you know you put in the work. You know you put in the blood. You know you put in the sweat. You know you put in the tears. You know you put in 120%. If you want to succeed as bad as you want to live, then you'll be successful. How bad do you want to live? How bad do you want to succeed? Are you ready for the moment? Prepare. Principle number 7, and I'm closing. My question to you is, are you ready for the moment? That's my question to you. Are you ready for the moment? If the door came to you right now, if there was a door that opened for you right now, if an opportunity came to you right now, would you be ready for the moment? That's the question I want to ask you. It's time for you to seize the moment. No matter what you're facing, no matter what you're going through, seize the moment. I went from flunking to first grade, being labeled as retarded, having a reading and comprehension problem, having a learning disability. I barely graduated high school. I was homeless in 2009. I got in college and got sick and was hospitalized for a whole year, flunked out of college, got back in on academic probation, was innocently shot multiple times and pronounced dead at the hospital. And now I'm a former nominee of the Nobel Peace Prize Award. I'm a certified life coach and a motivational speaker, changing the world. My videos have kept people from committing suicide. My videos have saved marriages. My videos have gotten people through sicknesses, cancer, and divorces. My videos have helped people to graduate from college and accomplish their dreams. My videos have kept people from dying by suicide. Why? Because I'm ready for the moment. I'm in the moment. And that's the place I want to get you to. I want you to get in the moment. Watch this. I want you to get within the moment. Prepare. Are you ready? This is your time This is your season. And this is your moment. You are greatness. You are amazing. You are phenomenal. This is your time. This is your season. This is your moment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please spread the word all over social media about me as a motivational speaker. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the like button. Spread the word. Put positive comments. Listen, I love you. I love you. I care about you. And I believe in you. This is your time. This is your season. And this is your moment. On your march. Get set. Go.